welcome to our video sessions with chapter number 13. Today's topic is what? Symmetry. In before classes, you know about the symmetry. Symmetry is most usable in our day-to-day lives. Okay, and many structures, designs, objects, figures which are evenly balanced and the first pleasing proportions look beautiful. Okay, that means mainly because of symmetry. That means many things are there in our day-to-day life. We constructions many different type of structures like what the mainly that looks beautiful only due to the symmetry lines. If that symmetry is not there, then no structures can look beautiful. How? See the board. When we draw a suppose a triangle, okay, here is the figure is there. Okay? See, here this type of figure is your constructions here. Then when the line is not exact like here, then the figure is look first not look beautiful. When the line is symmetry. Symmetry means first the line is exact line and the figures can made proper in both sides. That means proportion. Proportion means what? One side is equal to another side, and that increase the beautiful stuff. Many things like ours mainly. What are the objects? The many structures like temples, the Taj Mahal also, all the India gates, and many flowers and many things is there. They can look beautiful only due to the words, only due to the symmetry. Okay, then mainly of symmetry. Also, when we construction set another thing. So here is the suppose heart shape. Okay, when we construct like draw a symmetry due to the symmetry, the heart shape is look but properly. If the line, the drawing points is not in symmetry, not in proper, then the shape is not look beautiful. It should be what? The designs will be damaged. That means that unable to look properly and not look a proportion. That means symmetry help us to first make the things proportions or make the things first beautiful. Suppose when we draw a flower, okay. Here, now I will draw, okay. Now, this is the small size. When we draw a flowers, then the flower will also look beautiful when the symmetry line is proper. If it's not made by the proper symmetry, then the flower also not looks. Suppose one side is smaller and another side is greater, then the other side is smaller and another side is so greater. Then that is what both the shapes and size are drawn only through the symmetry lines. Okay, that means here we observe. That is here we observe. Okay, when you draw symmetry lines here also. Okay, and see here symmetry is there. That means what? Here we observe the following figures. Notice that the color lines divides each figures into two parts. That means here see the lines is what? Divides the figures two parts. Here is the lines is divide the figures two parts. Here is the lines is what? Divide the figure in how many parts? Two part is there. Each lines can divides the figure in two parts. So such that when we show the clock is there now. See, okay. See, the times details 12 to 6. Exact in same line 9 and 13. Exact towards symmetry lines. They can when we divide 6 to towards exact. Then both side figures will look same. When we draw another lines, and also when you go above the below the look figure they always what both the same. Also we can draw a line of symmetry like this. Draw a line symmetry like this. Clear about this? How it is affects. So we can say that then here in given all these figures, what we looks the lines which is divides the figure in both sides in equal proportion. That means equal proportion. Proportion means what? If the two things, two objects or two figures can equally for the both sides. Now equally means what? From this side and this side, upper side, lower side, left side, right side, also left side, right side. The figure both sides first look same. That means if we fold each of the figures along the colored line, that means when we fold the figures along these symmetry lines, the figure will be folded and look like a half parts of the figures. The two parts of the figures overlap exactly with each other. Such figures are said to be line of symmetry. That means we can say that. So, okay, fold the along with the then we can say that if we okay here, that means here fold each of these. Fold each of these. Okay, fold each of these words, each of these figure along the figure along. That means where the along the color line. That means if the color line is there, okay, along the line, along the line, the two parts of the figure of the figure. That means two parts of the figure means first one part and another part. When you fold this, you turn a papers and draw a structure slides and fold it and equally of the center of the figures, and we found what? We found its of the figures overlap exactly. Okay, figure. So then two parts of the figure, that is what? That is overlap exactly. Okay. Overlap exactly. That means when we see. Okay, see the students. Here is the shape for the heart shape. Here is the shape for the squares. The shape is, and this one is the squares. Then when overlap means squares, when we fold, that means see, here is the line, where is center line is there. Then here suppose we have line, symmetry line is there. Then when here the question was figures along the two parts of the figures overlap exactly. When we fold a figures like exactly, then see overlap, that means the figures make like this. Okay, then when we draw a figures like this, then what? Then figure will be overlapped and it looks a single folds. So it's that each part of the exactly with each part overlap exactly with each part. See, there is the two parts is there. When we fold it, then overlap means what? When we fold it, then exactly each part are words and each part are others. That means overlap exactly with each other. Exactly with each other, exactly with each other. See, both sides exactly each other. Now that line is called. Such figure are said to be. That means we can say that such figure. Okay, here no space is there. Others, okay, exactly. So this type of figures. Here also see one figure is there. When we fold, then it should be exactly overlap. See, the figure is overlap and both sides equals. When we fold the square, okay, here the square is there. When we fold exactly, see, for the center, okay, then it should what type of see? Same. See here, see, here is the square is there. When we overlap to each other exactly, then both sides is what? Same. Clear about it? Then this type of figures, this type of figure is known as line of symmetry figure. Okay, so we can say that such figures are said. And we say that what? Such figure. Okay, when this type of figures, such figures are said to have line of what? Line of symmetry. Then today's topic is what? Our symmetry. Have line of symmetry. Okay, line symmetry. That means the figures have what? Line symmetry. Okay, symmetry. Okay, clear about it? What is line of symmetry? That means also today's topic is what? Symmetry. Today's topic is symmetry. Okay. symmetry means you will, I hope all of you understood according to given examples. Now you know about the other things. Okay, then literally the word symmetry means, that means what is the word of symmetry, we know that, or we know about it. Okay, see the words. Okay, you can say that here we say that that means literally what? Literally that means the word symmetry, the word symmetry, that means the word symmetry means allowing the, symmetry means allowing the, that means allowing that when we allow the shape or object, the shape or object, that means where the shape is there and object is there to be divided into, that means the same any subjects and any objects that can be divided into first two equal parts, divided into two equal parts, that means two equal parts is there, two equal parts. How two equal parts? See, here is the one figures or one figure, when we divide by the symmetry lines, then it can first divide into two equal parts. How it should be divided into two equal parts? See the word, when we turn it, when we turn it the words or turn or fold, then it should be divided into equals two parts. Both sides look what same when they see the left side and right sides. Okay, here also both sides equal, this side and this side, left side, right side, both sides equal parts. Okay, that means equal parts such that one part, equal part such that one part is, that means whether one part such that one part is considerable, that means another parts. Okay, coincides, that means such that one part is coincides with other parts. Okay, coincides with which parts? With the other part, with the other part. That means one part is coincide with the other parts. When you turn, suppose here is the two figures is there, C, here is C, here is the two, the dice is there, then when we break, then see both sides look same or not, both sides look same figures, or one part is considered with the other parts. See the here. Okay, same here we turn these figures, then both sides coincides with each other. Okay, that means one part to other part. Clear about it? What is symmetry lines? Also then we can say that then how many points about the symmetry lines, another one. Okay, see what is symmetry lines. Then a line of symmetry divides the figure into two halves with the also mirrors image. Also you see the mirrors, when we see mirrors, then the just when we see mirror, that means what figures will given? Just same figures of our opposite sides. When you rise the left sides, then it looks like the right sides. You see the mirrors in front, you stand in front of mirrors and see when we touch left sides, then in mirrors it's just opposites. We touch which sides? Right sides in mirror, but we touch which sides? Left sides. You stand in front of mirrors and tries. Okay, now then we can know what is the line of symmetry divides. That means a line of symmetry divides. That means a line of symmetry divides the figure into how many? Half. Okay, two halves which are that means two halves which are also the mirror half which which are, that means which are two and how many parts? The mirrors, a line of symmetry divides the figures into parts, two halves. How many halves? Two halves. Okay, each others. That means two halves which are also the mirror image. Which are also the that means what? When we the mirror image also divides into how many parts? Two parts of each other. Okay, mirror image of each other. How we observe it? When we stand in front of mirrors and see the mirror, that means it should be also divided into how many parts? Two parts. It is also known as a mirror line. So it is also known as what? Mirror line. Okay, clear about it? What is mirror lines? Mirror line. That means when we stand in front of mirrors, that means a line of symmetry divides the figures into two halves. That means two parts which are also the mirror image. That means mirror image also divided into two parts. I will see you how mirror image divides into two parts. See the here mirror image is there. Now see, here is the mirrors. Okay. See, here is the mirror. That means mirror is divided into two parts equally. This side and this side. This is known as the mirror image. Okay. See, here is the mirror image. Here are also divided into two parts. It should be okay. Now also see. Now we will discuss about the another lines. That one is what? In symmetrical shape. That means the symmetrical shape is there. Then how we know the symmetrical shape? When we draw here is the figure is there. When we draw a line, and it should not divide into equal two parts. That means that is not a symmetrical line. What type of line is called symmetrical lines? Symmetrical lines means what? The line can divide any figures or structures and equal to parts, and both parts are look same, not look different. If both parts are not look same, that means that figure shape not asymmetry lines. Okay. Now we will discuss next point here. See, next one is what? That means we can say that means what? In a symmetrical shape or figure, in a symmetrical shape or figure. That means symmetrical shape or figures, but when they are exist. There exist at least line. Okay, at least one line. At least one line. That means any symmetrical shapes or figures have a minimum one line. One line is possible. That means when the figure is a shape or a symmetrical figure, shape or figures. Okay, so line about which is equifold. Fold, that means which is, if we fold, then what happened? The shape one half, the shape one half. That means one half is what? One half of it would be of it would be what? Fit exactly over. Fit exactly over. That means what? When we turn it, okay, and one part to another part, two parts, divided into two parts. When we again put into same place, that means the both part of fits exactly over the other half. Exactly over the line is called, okay, other parts or other halves. We can write some other parts or half. That means one half is there and another half is here. Then other half, that means both are the same and exactly fits in any structures or figures when you break it. Okay. Now see, here we separate this part and this part. When we separate, when the figure is there, when we separate each one, again we want to fix it in the same place. Then the both figures can look like the after what the figures is drawn. Okay, so we can say that means, and the line is called, okay, parts. Okay, then and the line is called, that means that type of line is called what? Line of symmetry. Okay, line is called line of symmetry. Clear about it? What is the line of symmetry? Now we will see the shape of the right angle. You know that now we take the non-symmetrical shape objects. That means what is symmetrical shape objects? The objects which have a symmetry lines and both parts are look same, that is called symmetrical lines. Now we discuss about the non-symmetrical shape and objects. What are the non-symmetrical shape and objects? See the board. Okay. Now we discuss about the non-symmetrical object and shape. First we know about the symmetrical shape and objects. Now we discuss about the non-symmetrical shape and objects. Here, suppose here is the shape. R is written here. Okay. See, when R is written, then when we draw a symmetrical lines, see, if we draw this side symmetrical lines, see the hair. When you draw like this, then both sides look same. Above it looks circles and below it look like a what's one angle. When it is not a non-symmetrical shape. So when we draw a angle like this type of shape, okay, then the triangle. Where we draw the angles, see, where we draw the symmetrical lines, see here. The both side, this side look same, both side not look same, depends where we draw. So suppose L is there, okay, L is there, see, L is there. Now then when we draw what? Okay, see, L is there, L, then we can draw lines. If we line draw like this side, then not look same. When we draw the line this side, then not look same. That means here, all these figures and shape, here is the triangle figure, here is the alphabet R, this is the alphabet L. Then when we draw symmetrical lines, then it should be not divided into equal parts. Not divided into equal parts. Suppose here is the angle, see. Okay. See here. See, here is the triangle shape is there. See, when triangle shape is here, now this shape is same is the here. See, triangle shape is there. Then when we fold it, or two equal sides, see, two equal sides folded is there. Now then see, and can both sides look same. That means this figure's line is called non-symmetrical lines. That means these are the non-symmetrical lines. Clear about it? What is symmetrical lines and non-symmetrical lines? Non-symmetrical lines means the figures when we draw a line and the both sides are not look same. That is called non-symmetrical. Not what? Reflect as symmetry lines. That's why it is called non-symmetrical line. That means here the above line are not reflect. That means the above lines are what? Not reflect as a symmetry. As symmetry, show the line, show the object or shape are called what? Non-symmetrical object. Non-symmetrical symmetrical shape or declare about it. That means the figures is never shown as a symmetrical lines or symmetrical figures or both sides same. That is called non-symmetrical object. Clear about it? Okay. Students, I hope all of you understood what is symmetrical lines and non-symmetrical lines. Now we will discuss about the figures having more than one symmetrical lines. What type of figure is known as the more what type of figures has more than one symmetrical line? See the board. I will give an example. Okay. See. Now next one is what? Next one is figure with more than one symmetrical lines. Figure with more than one symmetrical. That means more than one symmetrical line. Which figures have more than one symmetrical lines? Suppose when we draw only one line of symmetry, do you think which is the only one line of symmetry? That or only two lines of symmetry? That means when we draw a angle 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, we see the square, set square. What type of see in your compass box? Set square over 90 degrees set squares look like this, and another 45 degrees set square look like this. You see in your compass box this type of two set squares is there. Then when we divide, we join it to like this type. Okay, when we join it, see the two set squares. Here is the set square. Two set square is there. One is 30, 60, 90. Okay, here is the figures. See, when we join the figures, then we have how many symmetry lines? Only one symmetry lines. When we draw the figures, see how many symmetry lines is there? One symmetry lines. You also join the set square, that is 90, 30, 60, 90. That means here is the 90, here is the 60, here is the 30. Okay, that is degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree. 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 60 degree is theirs. Then we can easily, that means here degrees is known as 30, 90, 60. Okay, 30 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree. That means the figures having only one symmetrical lines. Now we'll take another example. Suppose rectangles. We know the rectangles. Here is the rectangle is there. See how many symmetrical lines we can draw. Then we can symmetrical lines, one lines, two lines. When we draw the lines both sides, and both sides looks for same lines. Also we can draw the symmetrical lines. Suppose here we draw one line, but see both sides see look same or different. Both sides see same or different. Both sides look different. Okay, now see, so we can draw how many symmetrical lines here in a square or on a rectangles. Two symmetry lines. Clear about it? When triangle is there, so we can say that a regular polygon is symmetrical and has many line of symmetry is its sides. The regular polygon means what? The polygons having 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides having what? Many symmetrical lines. Then we can say that we will observe here. That means a regular polygon is a regular polygon is symmetrical and it has many lines of symmetry. Okay, is its sides. Many lines of symmetry, many lines of symmetry as its here about is what is mean many symmetry lines. Suppose when I draw a square is also a polygon. This is the polygon is there. Okay, then we will draw a symmetry lines in both. Okay, when you draw pentagon, that means pentagon means how many sides is there? 5 sides. So I draw a pentagon is here now. Here is also polygons. When we do this type of lines of segments, when we do this type of line of segments, and when we do this type of line of segments, okay, these are the line of segments. Then the pentagons, then the irregulars, polygons having what's and many symmetrical figure, and it has the many lines of symmetrical at its sides. Read about it now. We know that now we know about the reflection and symmetry. How it reflects. When it will reflect the mirror. When we stand in front of the mirror, then it should be reflection. Then we know about the reflection and symmetry. Okay. Then we know about the words reflection and symmetry. Reflection and symmetry. And how is reflection when mirror is there? Let's say that right sides, suppose reflection, suppose opposite sides. Then we write then R. If we write the R, then R is reflects how? See. Line is line, it reflects when you write the another line, then we write here R. Then just opposites of the R is reflected, just opposites is like okay. And here R is just reflect the words opposites. When it's words stand in front of mirrors and it reflects left sides or right sides, then it's reflect like it's okay. Then R is reflect okay when we write the A reflection is words. If I write, then think A is reflect as a words. A is reflect such as A because here no changes is there. Okay, when A is reflects, when we write here reflections of mirrors. Okay, see if we write here A, it should be reflected as a words like this. Okay, that means it should be words reflection. That means we can say then how many English alphabets, that means many English alphabets is there, figures is there, they can reflect as like this. Okay, now so we can say that literally the shape remains the same. That means their size, here see the size and the shape are remain same and the signification change. Its image will be objects. Then literally inverted left to right. The size and shape are the always same and only it should be changed or signification is left to right. Okay. Then it's how is the reflection in front of mirrors, the alphabet letters or the figures, all these things. Okay, so I hope all of you understood about the symmetry lines and non-symmetrical lines, also reflections. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.